Hey, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to our Kit Conspiracy Week 2 kit share. We are using Little Dreamer. Actually, I think we're using Little Celebrations, but there are some Little Dreamer stuff in here because the way that 49 and Market did this kit, I think you get to use, some of them go for both items, like the die cut elements is Little Celebrations and Little Dreamers. So the difference is, in this pack, not a whole lot, but the Celebrations has more balloons and stuff, and the Little Dreamer has more teddy bears and stuff. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and do this. We've got the solid cardstock pack, which is all these colors, and none of this has been really broken into at all. Yeah, none of it's been broken into. So let's see what the other side looks like. I think it's like the two different shades of pink, the two different shades of blue, two different shades of green, and then this one's interesting because it's like an orange and a brown. So I just wanted to see if you really like the sound of crinkling. You're gonna love this video because nothing's been opened. So, okay. So the one that's the most different is the blue. So we've got like a light pink and the darker pink, which is just a tiny bit different. The blue is very different. Oh my goodness, my hands are so dry. There's the two blues. So quite a big difference in that one. Looks like the green's pretty different too. I guess maybe it's just the pink and the peach. There's the two greens. And then we have the brown and the orange. So that is it for the solids, two of each sheet. I'm not going to bother putting them back in at this point. We have the Little Celebrations paper kit, which is different than the Little Dreamer kit. As I mentioned before, the Little Dreamer one has a lot of teddy bears and stuff on it like that, like baby. And I mean, this has baby stuff on it too. Well, it feels babyish to me, but maybe not. Let's take a look and see. So there's what we've got. And we have this piece of paper, which doesn't read baby at all. This could actually be wedding. It could be tropical. Yeah, like, depends on how you embellish it. So that's beautiful. This one definitely has the balloons on it. Super cute with the ledger. And then the back is a polka dot. Very different. Very different from one side to the other. That's cool too. It's got the polka dot. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. Polka dots are kind of hidden in there. Got the florals, the chevron, the text print, and then more similar on the back, but maybe not quite as done. It doesn't have the polka dots on the back, and it doesn't have all of the side embellishments with the flowers and whatnot, but it kind of gives you a similar read, but just less, which I like. I like that. I mean, not that I always like less, but I like that you have the option of less. So here you've got the two corners, and then it's got some pinky in here too. And then, oh, lots of little flowers on the back side. That's pretty. This one has the balloons again, but you know, you also don't have to use this side. You can just, you know, use 3/4 of it or half of it or 2/3 or something if you're not into the balloons, which, you know, maybe you need something that has balloons, but maybe you don't. And then again, this one is less done. The A side and the B side. Usually I'm a B side scrapper, but I do love all of this mixed media stuff, so we'll see. Oh, I wonder. That could have almost been a double page layout. That'd have been cool if they would have lined that up, huh? But nope, it's not aligned. So again, more balloons, bigger dots. And then this one's got a lot of dots. yeah, I like that. This one we're going the opposite direction, and it's got the buntings going across. I think those are super cute. Some wood grain down here. And feathers and leaves. So that's kind of cool. And then we've got lots of balloons. I think I would probably veer towards this side because this pattern's really busy, unless you just did it in a strip. I don't know. We'll see. I always say that and then I do something different than what I say. Love this one. The simplicity of it. Ooh, love that also. That's a cool wood grain, very different. Sorry, Coda's wants out of the room. I'll let her out in a minute. Again, more wood grain. I love this as well. This might be one of my favorites. And then a lot more simple on the back. So that's really cool. A lot of fun. And then we have the rub-on transfers, which look like this. I'm not opening all of these. I'm just going to show you. These are 3 6x12 sheets. And this is what they look like. So lots of text bits, which is really cool. Lots of that chevron-y kind of a look, which is really nice. Some balloons that are faded out, and some florals that are faded out. That's cool. That'll be fun to use. And then I'm going to go with these little celebrations ones first. How come I can't feel the opening? Oh, it's on the other side. I think I opened these once just to look at them. I actually might have used a flower out of here. I don't know. I might have used it out of the Little Dreamer collection. So yep, it's a full set. Florals, or leaves, which are really cool. I love the colors. A lot of fun. And then we've got these celebratory bits that have candles and some hot air balloons. I think I was thinking I might use this for that hot air balloon layouts that I did before, but I didn't end up breaking into it. I did open it and look though. Some buntings. We've got the lights, cakes. You know, I think I did use some of these. Huh. Maybe I have 2 sets of these. Who knows? Or maybe they were in the Little Dreamer collection. I don't know. I can't even remember what I did yesterday, let alone back a month ago. Cut aparts. So we've got some frames, some text collage bits, and then more balloons. That's kind of cool. So that is one set. I'm just going to set that there. This is the Perfect Day Wildflower Laser Cuts. Oh, and it does look like I've used something out of here. Maybe that's what I did use. I cut flowers out of there. So Wildflower Laser Cuts, and it's called One Perfect Day. You know what? I don't think I'm supposed to be using this for this. Yeah. I think we're just using the other stuff. But I will show you that just in case. Just in case MK puts it in her kit, because I think I'm filming before she's filming. And then if it's not in there, I'll just tell you guys it's not in there. But I'm filming because I'm going to be out of town. Okay, so Little Dreamer. We decided to pull these in. It's got all the little animals in it. I don't know if MK will use them. I might actually use them because I am planning to do some vintage baby photos. I don't think I will use all of these though. That's a lot. That's a lot of animals. But the moon's cute. The little window scene is cute. The animals are adorable, but I don't think I will use all of them. So get that laying flat. And then we've got some baby stuff, which is super cute. Bassinets, cribs, rocking chairs, stools, tricycles, baby clothes, toys, bookshelves, and super cute stuff. So I don't know if MK is going to end up using that or not, but I am going to see if I can use some of it. And then I'm going to go back and show you this just in case. I don't remember if we were supposed to pull these in or not. These are the from One Perfect Day, which is a different collection by the same person, by Joanne Bain, for $49 in Market, but the colors are very similar. So I think we had said we were going to pull those in, and my notes are terrible because sometimes we talk about these things while I'm driving and I don't have all the notes because I am driving. So anyway, yeah, you might see something pop up on the screen saying, yes, we're using them, or no, we're not using them, but I thought I'll film it just in case. And then we have the die cuts, which it's 93 die cut pieces. I don't think I'm going to open it, but I will hold it really still here and show you. We've got tickets, we've got little page pieces, we've got tabs, half a scallop, we've got a Viewmaster reel, more tabs, some little layering cards and layering labels, little tabbed pieces up here, frames. So that's going to be fun to use. Lots of things for layering. Look, there's even hearts, you guys. I think everybody thinks I'm totally into hearts now, but I'm not totally into hearts. It's just an ongoing thing MK and I go back and forth, and I tease her about, because she's not a heart fan, and I'm like, people like hearts. Put hearts in your stuff. That is it for that collection. So I'm excited to use it and see what we can go ahead and create with it. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I should have told you at the beginning, Kit Conspiracy. This is week 2. MK and I are using the same kit, trying to see what the other person is going to do with their kit. We usually have 2 kits that we purchase and 2 kits that are built from stash. This is one of our purchased kits, and we're really excited about trying it out and checking out what we can make with it. And we guarantee at least 3 layouts. That's the goal anyway, at least 3 layouts, and sometimes there's more. So we're going to use this kit for 1 week, and then on next Saturday we will switch kits. So come back and see what we create with this and what our next kit will be. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.